So this is a second planting of our okra, of our zucchini and yellow squash. Let me at least go so far. Look at all them nice squash. We've had tremendous success this year. We've also had a little failure. We couldn't hold these plants for the whole year, unfortunately, and the bugs finally got to them. So seeing how the bugs were there, and they really started killing off plants. So I'm out here hitting 7 spray, doing that once a week, and trying to fight them. And a matter of fact, it was so bad that even when Delia removed all of the previous plants out of here, she replanted, and the bugs, the beetles, the stink bugs, all the above, they would go ahead and they were eating off the young seedlings. So had to get out here and I had to spray. You tried not to, but had to get out here and spray. If you want to prevent these things, my suggestion is once a week, hit them with some 7 spray, and do it once a week. Stay ahead of it, because whatever's happening to the plant now most of the time was actually happening a little earlier. So that's food for thought. But we got some zucchini coming on. That's exciting. Also turn that around, and like I said, we got some blooms. Come over here, got some yellow squash. And you can see Delia had all these planted, but unfortunately the bugs ate and killed the plants over here, so they had to have a third planting here, if that makes sense. Same way with up there, had to put a third plant in. So doing that. Delia's okra is doing very, very well. The okra is still producing, very nice. Delia's doing a good job trimming it all up, keeping everything in good shape. I did have to spray for some aphids up here, but all in all, everybody's doing pretty good. So happy about that. We're getting late season right now, so definitely things are slowing down to some degree. But anyway, yeah, no, Delia's on fire right now. She is really on fire, so happy about that. We'll go ahead and get going, but I wanted to show you how well so many of these are doing. And having the black fabric really helps, especially right now when you don't have hardly any vegetation on top. There's not a lot of places for the bugs, stink bugs, your beetles, all of the above to actually get established. So, but again, these are going to need another spraying again, because it's about a week. So we got to stay on top of that, or we're going to have problems. We want to finish this year out with these plants. That's a fact.